Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to insert a link in a rich text module in Hubspot. This guide is perfect if you're new to HubSpot or simply want to refine your content editing skills. First, log in to your HubSpot account. From the main dashboard, head over to the Content menu, which is where you'll find all your website pages and blog posts. Next, select the web page you'd like to edit. This opens the Detailed Editor view, which is the workspace where you'll make your changes. Now click the Add button, then expand the available options and choose the Rich Text module. This tool gives you a lot of flexibility for formatting and customizing your content. Inside the module, highlight the text you want to turn into a clickable link. Then in the toolbar, go to Insert and select Link. Finally, type or paste the URL you want, confirm the insertion, and save your changes. Your selected text is now a functional link, giving visitors an easy way to navigate to related content or resources. And that's it. You've successfully inserted a link into a rich text module in HubSpot. With this simple step, you can make your web pages more interactive and engaging. Thanks for following along, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.